Guys, sobrang excited ako na ibuksan tong bagong-bago na Infinix Hot 40 series. And inside this promotional package, meron tayong Infinix Hot 40 Pro na papakita ko sa inyo ang unboxing na itong experience ko. I'll tell you kamusta naman aking first impression dito sa phone na ito right after this quick intro. So guys, kita nyo ang ganda nitong box na ito. It's a Infinix collaboration with Free Fire. And this is the Hot 40 series. So dito nakasulat is supported by NFC and meron siyang high-res audio. Booyah now! So buksan natin. So, meron tayong welcoming note dito na magpagkalaki-laki. And meron tayong SIM ejector tool dito na special edition. So quickly buksan na natin. No? So inside meron tayong isang gift code na kailangan mo i-scratch off dito. And meron tayong welcoming note. Ito na lang, and basahin nyo na lang. And meron tayong stickers. Since sinabi ko sa inyo na this is a promotional package, this is not for sale. Pag binili nyo ang Hot 40 Pro, you'll be getting itong package na ito. But of course, buksan muna natin itong mga ito. Meron tayong phone cooling fan. It's a special edition din pala, no? Na Free Fire Infinix na cooling fan. Looks nice. So, kakabit nyo sa likod, hihilain nyo lang ito. And susupply mo ng power dito. We also have a phone lanyard over here. And it's a really nice collaboration between Infinix and Free Fire. Yan, kita niyo, ang ganda ng lanyard. Oh. Really nice. So, reversible color. So, we have black on this side and green on the other side. Okay? Really nice. Okay, going to the main course. So, ganito ang box na makikita mo. If you buy the Infinix Hot 40 Pro, meron pala tayong 8 plus 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gig of storage. Ang color na meron ko is the Horizon Gold. And these are some standard specs that you'll get from this phone. Helio G99, 108MP camera, 32MP na front-facing camera, 33 watts of fast charging, 5,000 mAh of battery, 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and meron siyang metamaterial na gaming network technology. Tara! So like any promotional package ni Infinix, naka-separate ng sleeve yung kanyang collaboration. So this is the standard box ng Infinix Hot 40 Pro. Buksan natin. So wala siyang special print, no? So kita natin outright, it's just a plain simple Hot 40 Pro na print over here. Let's slide it out. Wow, laki ng kanyang camera module. And it looks beefy, eh, out of the box. Yung ring niya, no, looks very iPhone-ish pag medyo malayo ang mong tingnan. And pansin ko, hindi naman sobrang makapal ang kanyang camera bump. Yung kanyang frame, no, very shiny. We have your fingerprint scanner over here, slash power button, and of course, your volume rockers. Yung pagka-gold na dito looks very nice, no? And I would say na very luxurious tingnan. Sa ilalim nandiyan, audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, of course, your loudspeakers. On the other side, we have your SIM tray over here. I-check lang natin, gamitin natin itong special edition na SIM ejector tool. And pag bunot, makita mo triple card slot. Okay, take note, this is a 4G capable phone, not yet 5G. We'll boot it up. So habang sineset up natin phone natin, let's see other stuff inside. Your regular SIM ejector tool, warranty card, phone case na special edition. Booyah now! Yeah, Free Fire. Standard charging cable na Type-C. And your 33 watts na fast charging brick. So kita natin ang kanyang home screen. It's a special edition din, no? Yung theme niya is Free Fire na theme. Ito siguro mga special icons na ginawa niya just for this Free Fire edition. So trying to get a quick snap dito. I would say yung kanyang resolution is not bad on low light condition. But we'll know more about this one sa aking full review. Netong Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So guys, kung meron kayong mga gusto malaman dito sa phone na ito, pop it in the comment section below para isama natin sa ating full review. And if you like this video, don't forget to share. And of course, I'll post the link on the description box below kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong Infinix Hot 40 Pro. I'll see you on the next one.
And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.